Hello students, this is Rashmi Biswakarma, Assistant Teacher of Nisangram High School. Today we are going to discuss part 4 video of periodic classification of element of class 10th science. Modern periodic table. This table is based on the modern periodic law which states that the physical and the chemical properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic numbers. So in earlier video, I have already discussed that modern periodic table is based on the atomic numbers instead of atomic mass. All the elements in the table were arranged in order of increasing atomic numbers. Okay. The elements in the modern periodic table are arranged in 18 vertical columns called groups and 7 horizontal rows called periods. Okay. In the modern periodic table, elements are arranged like this. 18 vertical columns called as group and 7 horizontal rows called as period. Just have a look to the modern periodic table. It is your modern periodic table. Okay. In the first group, there are 18 groups, right? In the first group, there are hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium, and like that up to 18 there are 18th group, and again there are 7 horizontal rows which are called periods. In the first period there are hydrogen and helium. In the second, 2 elements are there. In the second period there are 8 elements, which is lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. And like that, 7 periods are present. From fourth period, there are 18 elements are present and arranged. Okay, and there are also lanthanoid and actinoid series. These are from 6th and 7th period. Okay, so they are heavy element or radioactive elements. Group 1 elements are known as alkali metals, and the group 1 elements consist of hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. These elements are known as alkali metal. Okay, these are group 1 metal. Group 2 elements are known as alkaline earth metals. Okay, Group 2 elements consist of beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. They are considered as alkaline earth metal. Okay, Group 17 elements are known as halogens. Okay, and the elements are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine and tennessine. These are the elements which are known as halogens. Group 18 elements are known as noble gases, and the elements are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon and organogen. These are the noble gases elements which have stable configuration. That is, at the outermost cell it has 8 electrons. So they are considered as noble gas because it is very stable and do not react with any other elements. The recurrence of the properties of element after a certain regular interval when they are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic numbers after is called periodicity. Okay, recurrence of properties of the elements. Same property will be seen after a certain regular interval if the element is arranged according to their increasing atomic number. It's called the periodicity of that element. Okay, causes of periodicity. Now why this element shows these properties, the similar properties or the periodicity. Okay, it is due to the repetition of the outer cell, repetition of the outer shell electronic configurations at certain regular intervals. Okay, the outer cell of electronic configuration will repeat at a regular interval. So this is the cause of periodicity. Next, we have to study the modern periodic table removed various anomalies of Mendeleev's periodic table, and they are: A. Position of hydrogen is fixed as it is kept in the group which the element of the same valence electrons. So valence electron, according to the valence electron, it is hydrogen position is fixed in the same group. Okay. B. In the modern periodic table, the elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic number. So there was no need to place more than one element in one slot. It is clearly seen there is only one element in one slot, right? So this is one of the advantages from Mendeleev's periodic table. Another is number C. The atomic number of cobalt and nickel are 27 and 28 respectively. Hence, the cobalt with a lower atomic number is placed before nickel in the modern periodic table. But it is seen in the same slot in case of Mendeleev's, right? Next is the all isotopes of elements have same atomic number but different atomic masses. I have already discussed about atomic number and atomic masses, right? So isotopes are those elements having same atomic number but have different atomic masses. Okay. Therefore, all the isotopes are placed in the same position in the modern periodic table.